What's up guys? My name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. So I went to Sephora and I got two samples of the Fenty Beauty, one in 260 and one in 280. I loved it so much that I actually purchased both of them and I'm still waiting for my shit. But I just really wanted to talk about these. Like, I don't know if I look ghetto because I have samples, but I mean, that's how you start off, right? You start off with getting samples because obviously you can buy something and it's not gonna be your fucking color and then you have to go back and return it. Like, no, you gotta fucking try that shit first. Holy shit. Like, usually when I get foundations, they're never my, I never get the match. I never get a good match. But this one, 260, was my exact match. At least that I can say. I fucking am obsessed with it. That's the whole reason why I wanted to do this tutorial, is to show you guys what I've been doing for the past like 2 weeks. These samples right here, I used this one about 5 times. 5 times, okay? And then this one I probably used like 4 times and I still have a lot in here. It's crazy because you only need a little bit. Like, I kid you not guys, the shit is the shit. But we all know why you guys are here, so let's get to it. So first I'm gonna do my face, I exfoliate using the Glow Tonic by Pixi. Now I'm just gonna apply this on my face. My eyeshadow is obviously not done. I actually want to do my face before I finish my eye look. Dry a little. The next product I'm gonna use is my go-to favorite moisturizer. It's First Aide Ultra Repair Cream. I freaking am obsessed with this. I can just use this by itself on a day-to-day basis and my skin will just feel so hydrated and just feels so smooth. Love it. Especially during winter, my skin gets so fucking bad. As for primer, I just purchased this. I got a sample of this probably about 6 months ago and I decided to use it finally. I don't know why the fuck I haven't used it and I absolutely loved it that I had to purchase it. This one is the Becca Blacklight priming filter. I also feel like this primer gives you a really luminous glow. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty 260. It's the sample, obviously. I really do like the 280, but I feel like the 260 is my true color, although it doesn't look like it because I applied too much. But this is just gonna spread out throughout my whole face and that's it. I wouldn't need any more. The brush I'm using is the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. And the thing that I really do love about this foundation is that it blends really fucking good. Because sometimes when I use other foundations, I have to go back with a beauty blender to make sure that there's no lines or any dysfunctionnesses. And with this foundation, I can just use the brush and that's it. I'm done. For concealer, I'm going with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is actually a yellow corrector, but I use it to highlight. I was following their Snapchat and I saw one of their girls using this as a highlight, like how I'm doing right now, and I really liked it. I wouldn't recommend this to everybody because obviously not everyone has the same skin tones, but I felt like this really does complement my skin tone and I absolutely been obsessed with it. So with a damp beauty blender, I am just going to blend this all over my face. And I like, this isn't a beauty blender, this is a Real Technique sponge. But it's the same shit, right? Setting our concealer, I use the straighter side of my sponge, if you guys can see. And we're going to bake, set, whatever. So, just applying this on the side of my nose. And underneath my eyes. Then we're going to do my smile line. We're going to put a little bit on my chin so it doesn't get too shiny. Oh no, I have to sneeze. To contour, I'm going to use the Maybelline Stick Foundation. This one is in coconut and I absolutely love using this on fucking myself and a lot of my clients. Obviously, if you're a dark tone, I wouldn't use this on you. But when it comes to like my light, fair, and fucking medium skin tones, I fucking love using this. My line. To contour my nose, I'm going to use the Luxie 229 brush. And I am just going to blend that all the way up to my eyebrow. And then I'm going to drag it down, get underneath my nose, and vice versa on the other side. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Okay, and now I'm going to bake the center of my nose as well. with my Morphe E8 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my contour. I'm blending this to my hairline, that way there isn't like fucking 3 colors going on. And I'm moving all my fucking hair because it likes to fucking get tangled into my brush when I do this shit. I'm just gonna be blending it, going back and forth in the hollows of my cheeks. And now I'm gonna blend up and down. I feel like a little doll, like, you know, like those little fucking creepy ass porcelain dolls when I do this part. Woo! Make sure you guys blend it really good. And remember, not everyone's gonna do this because everyone's chin's different. I saw this on, I forgot what fucking Instagram name it's called. It's called Plousy Makeup Academy. Follow them and they come up with the fucking best eyeshadow shit ever. All their looks are super good. They're actually in I think London or England or something like that, and unfortunately they don't do classes out here, but they do have like $5 little sessions that you can purchase and it teaches you different looks. Do those. I recommend do those, and then you can always just save them, so it's so worth it. You guys need to follow them. I saw that they were contouring some of their girls this way and I was like, ooh, let me try it, and ever since then I've fucking been doing it. Like on Snapchat, they're one of the stories I have to see every day. Like, you know, you have certain people you have to watch every day. They're one of those people. I have to watch them all the time. Even if they're not posting about makeup, I have to watch them. To bronze my face, I'm gonna go with matte bronzer. I'm gonna open this baby up. It's a super shimmery bronzer. And I'm just gonna apply that exactly where I contoured at. I personally feel like my face has baked long enough. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe G35 brush and dust all this shit off. I'm actually gonna leave the translucent powder on my nose just a little longer. I'm gonna add a little bit of a liquid highlight. The one I'm using is by Temptu. It's a liquid glow called Aurora. I can never say that fucking name, Aurora. So you gotta shake it because there's a little bomb there, and you gotta make sure all the product mixes well. I'm not even gonna squeeze the product onto my face. I'm just gonna let it drip down. On my finger, I'm just gonna blend that. This one is like a really pretty pink highlight. And I'm gonna hit a little bit on my temples. The next highlight I'm going to use is Vintage by Jessica Lipskind, whatever. And this one is in Rose Quartz. I actually got this through BoxyCharm. And I'm going to be using my Morphe R11 brush. I'm just going to pack a little bit and tap it onto my skin. Just like that. On the temples. Now we're gonna dust off this remaining product right here. Now we got like that sharp line going on. Using my Morphe M506 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go Rose Chocolate Diamond. And I am going to highlight the center of my nose. Woo! Right here too. The tip of my nose. And then my cupid's bone. I personally don't know what color this is, but I'm assuming it's stripped down by MAC Cosmetics. Haha, stripped down by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Lipstick is from MAC Cosmetics also, and it's called Velvet Teddy. It's called Velvet Teddy. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss. This is by ColourPop and what is it in? Flutter Valley. Like a little glittery lip gloss. Just giving it some final touches. And last thing we're doing is smother ourselves with some Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. This just feels so nice. This is it, guys. If you guys love this look, because I absolutely do. So this is like my go-to look as of right now. Unfortunately, I'm running out of the Fenty Beauty foundation, although it should be coming in the mail within the next 2 days, so I'm so excited for it. I absolutely love this foundation. I know a lot of people have been raving about it just because it's by Rhianna, but no, like this foundation is like the shit. It's better than a lot of foundations that I have used that are expensive. It's super long lasting and it doesn't fucking move. Like, it doesn't fucking move at all. It's crazy. There's been times where I have wear this foundation for like 12 to 14 hours and my face looks the fucking same. It's It's crazy. I love it. I'm super obsessed with it. You guys need to purchase it. Or if you're a guy, buy this for your woman because this is the shit. There's so many different shades. Like one of them is gonna have to match you. I got 280, which is a little bronzy, but it's something that I love because I love looking bronzy. And then I actually got the 260 because it's something more natural looking. It's something that I can just wear by itself. Obviously, I love looking glam, and especially if I'm putting like some eyeshadow, like I definitely have to look glammed out at all times. But there has been times where I just use the foundation by itself and holy shit, and a little bit goes a long way. That's the thing too, guys. Like you don't need a fucking grip. I literally put my brush in it once and used all that to apply my whole face. It's fucking worth it. If you guys don't have it, y'all need to invest. So anyways, this is the end of the video. If you guys have any looks that you guys want me to do, make sure you guys let me know. If you guys did truly in your hearts like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. It would truly help me out. But other than that, that's it. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.